Hey, welcome back to Do Review. David O here today with your Blu-ray buyer's guide for Alita Battle Angel. 20th Century Fox announced that the movie will be released on July 23rd in both 4K 3D and Blu-ray DVD combo packs. And here is a quick look at the included special features. Best Buy has an exclusive 4K 3D Blu-ray SteelBook available for pre-order. And Target has exclusives in both 4K 3D and Blu-ray DVD, including a USB Charging Wristband. So are you picking up Alita? I didn't get a chance to check it out in theaters, but I think I might be picking up that SteelBook, and if you want to get it or anything else you've seen in this video, there are links for you in the description. Thank you as always for stopping by. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date on your future releases and unboxings. You can find me on all social medias at Do Review Movies, and as always, I'm David O, and we're done here.